This isn't home anymore.
You can't fix me. I'm not broken. I don't need to be fixed, okay? I'm me.
Go on then.
I think I may have left you, but
I choose you.